Hey everyone, Peter here from Tactical Ordnance, and today we're going to be introducing our very first video series called Tips and Tricks. Today we're going to be talking about the ghost load and demonstrating it on our VersaMax Pro. So very first thing we want to do is we make sure we point our firearm in a safe direction and prove that it's safe. Checking the chamber and the magazine tube. Okay, so we're going to be using dummy ammunition here, and first thing we're going to load the magazine tube. Next step is we're going to pull the bolt back just far enough where we can slide a cartridge on top of our oversized extended carrier and slowly let the bolt forward just enough. With our last round, we're going to top up our chamber, slide it in, and we're good to go. So there it is. So make sure you click the like button, subscribe, let us know below in the comments what you want to see next. Be sure to follow us along on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter for all the latest updates and products at TacOrd Inc. Thanks, and see you next time.